Hey everyone, welcome to question 5 in 7.3. So here we have King Waterbeds, and they have an annual cash policy that raises the dividend each year by 4%. The most recent dividend, or dividend zero, was 40 cents per share. What is the stock price if? Now, again, we need to ask a couple questions. First question is, and these are probably questions I ask myself when I start a relationship. First, is there going to be growth? And second, will it be forever? So, is there growth in this case? Looks like there is. So the dividend is growing 4% year after year. Okay, so it won't be the same payout. It will grow. So we know that there's a constant growth dividend model. And is it forever? Looks like it is, because they don't put a time line or number of periods. So looks like we're looking at a constant growth dividend model with an infinite time horizon. Okay. And what that means is we can talk to Gordon and we can ask him what is his equation that we can use. Okay, so it's a wonderful classic equation that we can use. Okay, determine stock's value based on future streams as long as it grows at a constant rate and it grows forever. Okay, so given that information, let's go ahead and build a little chart or table here. Okay, so what do we know? We know our rates. Okay, so again, part A, they want a rate of 5%, 8%, 10, 13, and finally 20% rate increase, or return, pardon me. Now our growth rate, in this case, because it's a constant growth rate, we have that rate of 4%. Okay, so that's our growth, or G. And that's not going to change, so that 4% will stay the same. And our dividend zero, so always remember dividend zero is our most recent dividend, okay? So in this case, that is 40 cents per share. Now, of course, as we move through time, that's going to increase. But our most recent one is 40 cents per share, and we're going to use that to help us determine. So whenever we're plugging in, are we using Gordon's model, we want to know our most recent dividend. So once we do that, we should be able to determine the price of the share, okay, or price zero. Now, or in other words, price zero is in the most recent price, okay? So let's do the math here. What are we going to be doing? So we have our dividend zero multiplied by 1 plus G, okay, so our growth rate. And we're going to divide that all by our rate minus growth. Okay. Then we can bring that down. And there we have our prices. Okay, so we can plug those numbers in. And we should be good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy financing.